In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a successful affiliate marketing business and how you can make it just a little bit easier. Hey everyone, Nate Valline here with natevalline.com. Welcome to my video. Like I said, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can start your own affiliate marketing business and how you can also make it just a little bit easier to become successful. But quickly, before we get into this too far, I just want to say if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that big red button and subscribe. That way you won't miss out on any of my other videos on how to make money online, improve your skills as a marketer, or even just get your side hustle on. All right, so if you're anything like me, you may be in this point where you just feel like you need to make a little extra money. Maybe you've had enough with your current job, your job, and it's just totally driving you into the ground. Or maybe you're just in a position where you're ready to advance your career and create your own business. Now, whatever your reasonings may be, there can be hundreds of them. Working online can offer that avenue to where you can actually create some really decent income by working full time. But the challenge comes in is there's not really a path to get started easily. With a lot of the traditional brick and mortar jobs, the path is you go after high school, you graduate, you go into college, you decide on what degree you want to study, then you're supposed to work through your university studies towards that degree, which then will lead into your career and so forth. That's a pretty set, laid out path for you to take. And for a lot of people that works, and they do well after college. They find a job, get into their career, and everything works out for them. But for a lot of people, that isn't quite the case. There's people like us that they may do the college route, they may not, but then afterwards they bounce around from job to job, earning minimum wage or just barely earning enough money to get by. You're living paycheck to paycheck, debts racking up, or you're just always just tight on money. It makes it tough, and you're never really fully happy because you're not doing what you want to do, you're doing what you have to do, and so it's just not an ideal situation. And so that was kind of a place where I was at when I got started online. I got to a point where I was in a decent job, but it wasn't fulfilling to the point where I was making enough money that I wanted. I wanted to make some extra money on the side. At the time wasn't quite ready to leave my job, but then as things went, this became more of an avenue to look full time. And so some of the things I learned while getting started online or looking on how to even begin online was I started with Google, like so many people. And you Google, work online, how to work online, how to work from home, and you get all these different results, that just flood your screen. And unfortunately, the majority of them that hit the top are not true full-time income producing options. You might see some stuff on affiliate marketing, but most of them is like taking surveys, reviewing websites, data entry, all for pennies for the time that you actually put in. And so it makes it very challenging. But when you look into affiliate marketing, there is real online earning potential here. And if you can figure it out, you can become, it can offer you, financial freedom, time freedom, location independence, everything that you may be desiring with your life. But the challenge is how do you start? There's so many different gurus out there, how to, take this course, buy this product, whatever it may be. And they promise you a quick fix, a quick click to start your business and succeed online, which in reality, that's not quite the case. And so what I found is I actually got hooked up with an online entrepreneur, and he actually has had a training program that actually helped me quite a bit. It's very in-depth and helped me get started in the right direction. And with that program, he showed me the ins and outs and he became that mentor. And that is the first trick to becoming a successful affiliate marketer, is finding a mentor that you can believe in and knows how to be successful in the niche that you want to be successful in. And that's who this person was. He was this mentor. He was in the industry I was doing. He actually was out teaching everybody exactly what I wanted to do. And so by doing that, by associating myself with this mentor, he was able to teach me the ins and outs that are currently working. He was not only just showing me the tactical steps, but teaching the strategy behind it, the how, the why, so that there's a real connection there and an understanding on how the business works. And it was something that you could truly follow along with, understand, and grow your business as he taught you how to do it. And what's exciting is now he's put together this program where you can partner with him, in essence, and you can tap into his business model, and he works with you. He provides you assets. He provides you coaching, email swipes, everything that he can to help you be successful. And so by doing this, by associating yourself with a mentor, this is how you build a successful affiliate marketing business. You follow what he tells you, what he instructs you to do. You have to have some faith in him that, he may instruct you to do some things that are outside your comfort zone, but if you truly want to make this a success, you should follow those steps. And that's what I have done, and I am seeing success. So I just want to show you this program that I'm talking about because it is something that this program this is a new program, though I've been working with this gentleman for a little bit now. This is a new training program that I am going through. I'm learning new things from it, and it is very easy to follow if you're new. If you're experienced, like I said, you may pick up some new things like I have. And so I'll just jump in my computer here real quick and give you a quick walkthrough. But what the program is, it's Partner with Anthony. It's been designed and developed by Anthony Morrison, who, if you know him or don't know him, he's been online since about 2006. He started with doing e-commerce, selling auto parts. He's done affiliate marketing. He does apartment rentals. He does all kinds of different things. He's been on TV. He's been on CNN because of the work he's done here. And now he's taken all that experience and all his years of helping people build a business that he's done and put together this really great, thorough training or partnership that you can go through these daily sessions. And there's 24 of them at the time of this filming. And you can see I've done 88% of them, so I'm almost through it. And it's been some of the best training I've seen. And the great thing is, like I said, he gives you assets that you can use, opt-in pages, thank you pages. He gives you email swipes that you can use. He helps tell you which autoresponders he recommends and tracking software and funnel builder pages. But what he does not do is he doesn't just try to sell you everything under the sun. He just tells you what you need to do the business at the time and how to grow your business. And so it's not one of these, get you in the door and then just dump all these offers on you. It's something where you actually go through the steps, learn the business as you grow. And as you grow, he'll introduce other products or services that are optional. But if you are ready for them, you can tap into those, which add extra education, extra products that you can use to make your business run more efficiently. And it's just a really honest and authentic program that he's put together here. And so it's really great. And just to give you a little bit more, these sessions are broken down into modules that are all just short video training. Tries to keep them around 15 to 20 minutes in length. But that may sound short, but they are full of useful information that you can implement, and information that you can improve or increase your knowledge about the business with. And so, like I said, there's business resources. You can tap into his traffic source that he uses himself. And you can get all your stats and everything through your commissions and affiliate links there. And then he also has the SC, or the Success Connection, which is a weekly webinar that you can get in, and he is on every single week. He's been doing this for the last 4 years, and it's something that just adds additional value to this program. And so if you are looking to start an affiliate marketing business, or you're stuck and need help getting it going, I think you should look into this program. It's very helpful. It's been helping me. I've been seeing improvements in my business and growth with my business since I started. And the best part is, at the time of this video, the cost of this is very minuscule in comparison to all these other programs out there that don't offer the same level of value. At the time of this video, it's only $7 a month. And I mean, so if you're looking to get in, this is a very easy way to get started and start growing your business. So with that, I'm just going to wrap this up. I appreciate you for watching. If you got any value out of this video or enjoyed it, appreciate if you give it a thumbs up or like or share. If you have any questions or comments for me, leave those in the description below. I'll be happy to answer them. And again, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the big red button and subscribe. And then again, last thing, if you do want to check this program out, all you have to do is click the first link in the description, and I'll take you right to the informational page, and where you can, if you're ready to join, you can join right through that page. So with that, my name is Nate Valline with NateValline.com. I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. See you soon.